Friends, welcome to the second episode of the series Bird Watching Aquatic Birds. Eurasian Coot is yet another aquatic bird found across Asian countries. Coots' habitat include freshwater lakes, reservoirs, wetlands, marshes, village ponds, and slow-flowing rivers. These birds resemble ducks, but they are not actual ducks. Coots can easily be recognized by its black plumage, white bill, and a distinct white forehead shield. Eurasian coots are omnivorous birds and feed on aquatic plants, algae, seeds, grass shoots, insects, snails, small fish, and tadpoles. Coots feed during the daytime. They often dip their head underwater in search of fish and plants. Sometimes they dive up to several meters underwater to reach submerged vegetation. Coots can remain underwater for 15 to 20 seconds. Coots run across the water before taking off from the water. Coots are excellent swimmers and divers. They bob their head while swimming. That means they shake their head here and there while swimming. Usually, coots are seen alone, sometimes in pairs, and maybe in large flocks also. Ducks have webbed toes, and these webbed toes help the ducks while swimming. Whereas coots have toes equipped with a broad lobes, and that expands in water during swimming. Each toe is equipped with broad lobes that expand in water during swimming. Breeding season begins during the and after monsoon, that is from June month to September. The birds are highly territorial during breeding season. Both male and female builds the nest during breeding season, and nest is made up of reeds, grass, and aquatic plant. Nests are seen built on reeds and floating vegetation in the water. During breeding season, both male and female chase each other on water and both perform synchronized swimming displays. After mating, a female lays about 8 to 10 eggs, and eggs are pale, puffy, with dark spectacles. Both parents incubates the eggs, and chicks will come out after 21 to 24 days. Chicks are black in color with bright reddish orange and yellowish feathers on head and neck. The chicks start swimming immediately, and both parents feed the chicks for some days. Young chicks will remain with parents for 60 days, and once they are dependent, they will leave their parents and live independently. One interesting and unbelievable behavior in female coots is that after hatching, the mother will feed only two or three healthy chicks and discard the other unwanted chicks. Sometimes the mother cull the unwanted chicks and throw them out of the nest. This unexplained typical behavior can also be seen in some of the birds. Coots are often mistaken for common mohair cormorants and Indian spotted ducks. Coot birds communicate with a loud grunt or croaks or sharp calls with other birds. Large fish, lizards, monitors, snakes, frogs, and cats are the real predators for the chicks. So, friends, that's all from my side, and I'll be back with the next episode with some interesting aquatic birds. Till then, bye, and thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much.